Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is the daily news tidbits. And today in our news for Monday, September 16th, 2019, we will be talking about the proposal of the European Union to actually do a digital tax. So what's that all about? Well, this is a new proposal because the European Union and countries in the European Union are not happy with the amount of taxes paid by the digital giants, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, and so on. And it's always been a big problem. In the last few years, we've seen some of these companies actually having to pay huge taxes because of these governments reverting back and saying, whoa, you can't be making billions of dollars in our country and not paying any taxes. Now, a lot of the other countries around the world, including the United States, are not happy at this decision because they say it's unfair. But the European Union says, with or without agreement of China, United States, and others, they are going forward with a form of digital tax. Now, there's no date yet as to when this could be done. There's no information as to, all the details of this. But that would mean that every company that is a digital company, that means anything that has to do with the internet, anything that has to do with electronic devices, that has to do with streaming services and so on, would have a minimum tax that they have to pay in respective countries in the European Union. So this is today's tidbits of news, and of course we'll keep an eye on what this is all about and when this could be applied. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.